Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on Review into Huck's World. And today I got a Samsung case in the building to review, and this one is totally off the charts. Now this is called the S-View flip cover for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I'm quite sure they got one for the Galaxy Note 10. We will be leaving a link in the description down below for you guys to go check that out. Now I paid $50 for this one, and to me it was worth every single nickel. Now, when I first saw this case, it was love at first sight. I had to have it. I ordered it right away. As soon as it was available. Matter of fact, I pre-ordered it, right? I couldn't wait. But listen, let's check this case out. Let's get it unboxed really quick. Now, here it says notification alerts, check the time, weather, and your messages while closed, pocket screen protection, answer calls, or see message alerts without opening the cover. Ultra slim fit, which means it's gonna fit real nice in your pocket because this is not a heavy duty case at all. But Samsung got down on this one. Let's open up this box and take a closer look at this case. Now in the door, I gotta tell you, if you're looking for heavy protection, you will not get it with this case. This case is meant to be worn when you're in boss status, not worn every day boss status. That means you're gonna be dressing to impress, you're going out, you're gonna be ripping up the town, and or you're going to a board meeting. This is when you wanna put this case on your phone, slam it down on the table. Yes, you are the boss. But Samsung got down on this one. I like the look. I like the feel of the material of this one. Samsung did an excellent job. But let's go ahead, let's open this up, get this phone in here really quick, and take a look at it. Now, you can see this, nice. You get your time, you get your notifications. You're gonna get your opening for your speaker. And also on the back, your cutout for your cameras, looks perfect, flash. Also down at the bottom, you're gonna get Samsung's branding, which is A-okay with me because I'm Samsung to the casket drops. And also on the side, you're gonna get your volume rocker, and you're also gonna get your power button over here. It works with no problem. Now, here's the thing. In order to see the time, you gotta open up the case, right? Now, I wish it was a way for you to double tap in order to pull up the screen. So I hope the developers get on their job and get something done with this, and or tweak to be able to have the opportunity to tweak the seconds on here, to have it to stay on a little bit longer so we can see the notification without opening up the screen like this. Now, by no means is this a deal breaker at all, but hopefully Samsung can put the developers to work and get that taken care of. But all in all, the feel in the hand, perfect. Feels nice, the material feels good, nice weight, doesn't feel too bulky or anything like that. You got your top exposed, your bottom exposed. Remember, this is not a heavy duty case, all right? But let's go into your settings real quick. I wanna show you something. We're gonna look for advanced features. Let me unlock this. All right, let's look for advanced features. And we're gonna go to accessories. So if I want to, I can have it automatically unlock, or I can have it not automatically unlock. And here you got, of course, your top or bottom, and that's for your text direction. Me, I don't like it here, but maybe that's going to be good for you. Not a bad look at all, but I prefer it right here. This look a lot better. I can lay it on the table, I can see it instead of it being upside down, but that may work for somebody, and that's cool. But let's take a look at these notifications. First off, I got my Instagram. I got 8 messages that came in. I got a phone call that came through, and my mail. Any of those I tap, it's going to take me straight to it. Let's tap here. It says open cover to view notification details. Let's try that again. And then we open it up, and it brings up the notifications. You don't have to do anything, which is cool. Makes it convenient. Then you can close it back up. You can do the same thing for all the other notifications. You get your time. You're going to get your battery percentage. And also you're going to get the day of the week, your month, and also your date. So I thought this was definitely a good look compared to the original, the predecessor before this one. I thought Samsung did a good job with this design. Now, you can receive phone calls with this one, right? So let's go ahead, let's make a phone call. And this is it, people. So what you're gonna get is the person who called. You're gonna get a photo. If you got a photo in your contacts, you're gonna get the telephone number. You're gonna also get this incoming call, and you can answer or reject. We're gonna reject. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to open up the case or anything. I thought that was super awesome. This is definitely a work of art by Samsung. All right, but there's one more thing that you could do with this, which I also thought was pretty cool because I listen to music all the time. So if you want to listen to music, let's get out of this. Go here, tap off into my music, hit play, close the case. Now, I know you don't see it right now, and that's cool, but how you get to it is swipe up. Let's open this back up. Swipe up, and there you go. You get your pause, you get your back track, your forward track. These two dots just let you know where you are within the menu. Let's go back in, and you get the name of the artist, well, the name of the music and the name of the artist as well. And you also get Samsung Music, and you get the album art as well. So I thought this was pretty cool. I thought Samsung did a really good job with this one. I just need more time with the on-screen display. But you know what this reminds me of? The Galaxy Note 4 Edge. I wish we had that option in the Galaxy Note 10, but we don't. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.